Hello friends, welcome to Fun Drawing with Piyali. Here we show you different type of drawing with fun and easy way. So if you want to learn drawing in a fun and easy way with fun facts, then subscribe to our channel. Now let's start with today's topic. Hey my little buddies, how are you all? I hope you all are good and in good health. You guys are doing good at home. Today we have a new topic for you. Today we will draw simple garden scenery with bees and bugs and flowers. So let's make a start. And don't forget to hear the fun facts. Here's fun facts also coming your way. Fact number 1. So while we are drawing the flower garden today, so it is important to know that there are very different types of gardens available, like flower gardens. Some people create plant gardens, fruit gardens, vegetable gardens. Some people may, create gardens to attract butterflies, like this. Fact number 2. Insects are very important to a garden because they help to transfer the pollen from plant to plant. Fact number 3. Bees are also very helpful to a garden because they love flowers. They are attracted to the flowers which are vibrant in color, bright in color, colors which have a strong fragrance. And this is why they are buzzing around during the daytime, and they love flowers that close at night. And they are responsible for the existence of many flowers. And imagine, without bees, over 1 lakh plant species would cease to exist. Fact number 4. Earthworms are also very important to a garden because they help to keep our soil clean, because they take all the pull down all the organic materials to a soil, recycle it and make the soil nutrient filled. Fact number 5. Long ago, gardens were essential to daily life, essential to people, because early people, as soon as they discovered that they can actually plant their own food, they create gardens, they grow their own vegetables, they create their own garden and make towns and villages. Fact number 6. Plants really do respond to a sound. Yes, studies have shown vibrations like music, perhaps even the sweet sound of your voice, can affect plant growth. Fact number 7. Flowers did not always exist. Do you know? Long ago, when living things started their formation in the earth, flowers were not the first thing to be existed on earth. They first appeared 140 million years ago. Before that, only ferns and cone-bearing trees dominated the earth. Fact number 8. Do you know why plants are green? Because they have chlorophyll. Particular chemical which is called chlorophyll. So everything that has a chlorophyll in it is green. Fact number 9. 1 teaspoon of good soil. So let's suppose you have a soil, and 1 teaspoon, just as small as 1 teaspoon of good soil, holds more than 1 million living things. Fact number 10, the final one. Honeybees communicate through a series of dance moves within them. So my cute angels, this was all the 10 fun facts for the day we have for you on our flower garden drawing scenery. So, my little buddies, do you have a garden at your home? If not, try it today with a handful of soil and a recyclable pot, maybe a bottle, or some vegetable or fruit seeds that often our mother throws away, and see the magic. Oh, do not forget to water them. So, meanwhile you grow your own garden and we find out our new topic, keep watching Fun Drawing with Piyali for more fun. Wow, that's fantastic drawing. Thank you my little friends for joining in today, and do not forget to subscribe our channel if you like our drawing sessions and you want to learn this fun and easy way of drawing and grow your knowledge with fun facts. We will see you soon with another exciting topic. Till then, stay safe at home. Bye bye.